Hi guys, thanks for watching our Sunday workout with Alexis. Today we're working upper body. Our first exercise is a dumbbell chest press with chest flies. Stand straight up, keep your chest out, complete your press, and stretch your arms all the way out for your flies. Our next exercise is our double reverse fly with dumbbell rows. Remember, keep your chest out, slightly bend your knees, and your back straight. Our third exercise is our standing and alternating lateral raises. Next is called our Zotman Curls. Start the curl with palms facing down, then curl up. Once you reach the top, rotate your wrists and your forearm so that you're now using the prone or palms facing up position. Our last exercise is called our Y presses. Press up and out so that your arms make the shape of a Y. Lower the way back down to your shoulders. Don't forget about your recovery. In this recovery video, we're using our flat attachment to massage our forearm, our biceps, our triceps, and our shoulders. We're next going to use the same flat attachment to target our lower back. We're going to hold the massage gun with our right hand and hold the top of the gun with our left so that we can get a good angle for our lower back. And for a heavier press, we're going to tilt the gun to target the sensitive area. And last but not least, we're going to target our traps with the same flat attachment. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Total Massage Gun.